blog post that took hours to complete. You have spent hours to research the topic, you have added your best keywords, and even you have checked the grammar of your content. And before hitting the publish, you have made sure the content should be perfect. But after publishing, the results were disappointing. Visitors came to your website, but within seconds they are leaving your page or your blog post. That means they are not reading your article till the end and you are losing the visitors. So most of the website owners think that the problem is in their SEO. They start fixing the technical issues, getting more backlinks and research for the best keywords. But what if the problem is not in your SEO at all? What if the visitors are not able to understand your content? Think of your own situation now. Suppose you have opened an article to read, but then you see long paragraphs, long sentences, complicated words that seems to go on forever. So what will you do in that situation? I know, you will leave that page. So you are not leaving that article or that page because the information is bad. You are leaving because consuming that information feels like work. That's where the readability comes in. So basically readability measures how easy or difficult your content is for the user to understand. The more easier your content is to understand, that means the visitor or reader will stay longer on your page. So in this video, I am going to show you the best AI SEO plugin, DefiniteSEO, to measure the readability of your content. In this SEO plugin, there is a feature of readability from where you can just check the readability score of your content, whether it's easy to read or difficult to understand. So without wasting the time, let's download the DefiniteSEO AI SEO plugin and continue the video.
Hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up.
So to check the readability of our content, you need to download the DefiniteSEO AI SEO plugin for your WordPress website. So here you can see the DefiniteSEO plugin is already installed on my website, both the free version and the pro version. But the best part, the readability feature is available in the free version also. So after downloading and activating the DefiniteSEO plugin, just open the post site settings of your WordPress website. Here you can see. And in the post site settings of the DefiniteSEO, there is a feature of readability. So here inside the readability section, DefiniteSEO analyzes your content and provides different readability scores. These scores help you understand whether your content is easy for the average reader to consume or whether it might be too complicated. Now don't worry about memorizing all these names. What matters is understanding what they are trying to tell you. For example, the Flesch Reading Ease score focuses on how easy your content is to read. Generally, a higher score means your content is easier for the readers to understand. Then there is a Gunning Folk score, which looks at sentence complexity and difficult words. If the score is very high, it may indicate that readers need a higher education level to comfortably understand the content. You will also see things like Coleman-Liau Index and SMOG Index. They all use slightly different methods, but their goal is the same, helping you understand whether your writing is clear or complicated. Let me show you something practical. Right now, this content has a certain readability score. I am going to intentionally make it harder to read. I will add longer sentences, use more complicated words and remove some natural breaks that makes content easier to scan. So here you can see I have intentionally made it harder to read. Notice how the scores start changing. Now let's do the opposite. I will shorten some sentences, replace difficult words with simpler alternatives and make the content feel more conversational. See, the readability score is improving, and this is exactly why this feature is useful. It gives you feedback before your readers do. So there is a common mistake that most of the writers do. They think that by adding the long sentences, complicated words, they are making their content looks more professional. But the truth is, the professional writers are not using the complex language. They are using the simple language language, simple words to convey their message, so the readers can understand their content better and stay longer on your page. So that's how you can just improve the readability of your content by downloading the DefiniteSEO AI SEO plugin and using the readability feature of it. Thank you for watching the video and best of luck for optimizing your website.